What if I told you that I have something that is going to make your life easier and save you time in the morning? Well, I do. And it's something that's very easy. It's a brush. I'm Judy from Judy D Beauty, and it's something as easy as a fan brush. So we all know the traditional blush brush. So with the traditional blush brush, what happens is we're putting our blush on, and a lot of times we get way too much product on our brush, and then we have to work at blending it in, and then we have this huge big expanse of color, and then where's our contour, where's our blush, where's our highlighter, and it kind of all gets muddied up. So what I suggest is using a fan brush. So the fan brush, you just get a little bit of color on your fan brush, and it's almost literally impossible to mess it up. You can't put too much product on, which is what I love. So I've done my contour and my blush and my highlighter on this side. On this side, all I've done is my contour. So I like to put my blush fairly high up. So you just gently just put a little bit of blush. And I see I've done quite a bit there. So what you're gonna do next is then get some highlighter. And the highlighter just goes right over and above where the blush is. And it just sort of blends it in, but it's just a gentle feathering of color. And it just works so nicely and so gently. And then the other spots that you can put your highlighter on is just down the bridge of your nose, on your Cupid's bow, and then if you like, because I have my hair on my other side there covered, but just almost like a little C right where the light would hit. There we go. And I can put a little bit more blush on this side too, just on top. I like to go quite high, and it sort of lifts your face as well. And then we're going to put a little bit more highlighter to even things up, but it's just so really impossible to put too much color on, and it's very easy. So there you have it, something that's as easy as a fan brush to make life a lot easier for you, and just one for highlighter, one for blush, and it just goes on so easily and so nicely. You can put a little bit of blush on your chin as well, and just to, you know, lighten things up, and a little bit of highlighter just underneath there too, and you're done. That's easy. That's it. So subscribe to my channel, Judy D Beauty, and I have a newsletter as well that I'd love for you to receive once a week, and there's tips and all kinds of fun stuff in there. So hope you have a really great rest of the day, and don't forget to try these out. I know they look a little funny, they're a little thin, but boy do they work great.